All right, number 64. Two sides of a triangle measure 6 and 9. Circle the possible values for the length of the third side. Okay, so there was another part of the triangle inequality theorem. Triangle inequality theorem. That says the sum of the two shortest sides must be greater than the long side. Okay, so there's two ways to think about this question. 6 plus 9 have to be greater than the longest side if they're both the shortest side. So 6 plus 9, our answer, this answer must be greater than the third side. So what values does that leave us for the third side? Well, 6 plus 9 is 15. So 15 has to be bigger than the long side, meaning the long side must be less than 15. So it could be 14, or it could be all these other values less than 14. Okay, well that's great if 6 and 9 are the shortest sides. But let's say 6 and 9 are not the shortest sides. Then 9 would be the biggest side. And 6 and this other value, whatever it happens to be, I'm going to call it x, has to be bigger than 9. Let me subtract 6 from both sides, and that tells me the other side must be bigger than 3. So we want numbers that are bigger than 3, like 4, all over here. Which values do they give us? Well, that gives us all the numbers in between and including 4 and 14. All right, moving on. Number 65. Find the value of y in the figure below. Here we have two interior angles and one on the outside that does not touch them. These have a special name. They're called anterior angles. So basically, we learned that the sum of the two anterior angles is equal to the exterior angle. So, y minus 30 plus y minus 80 equals the exterior one, which is y. Let's solve this. We got y plus y is 2y. Minus 30 minus 80 is minus 110. I'm going to add 110 and I'm going to subtract y. Subtract y, that will give me y. Add 110, it equals 110. Alright, finally, number 66. What is the difference between the measures of the interior angle and the of a regular pentagon and the exterior angle of a regular pentagon? So first of all, we should find the interior and the exterior angles. The interior angle is equal to 180 times n. The number of sides here is 5 minus 2 divided by n, which is 5. And the exterior angle is just equal to 360 divided by n, which in our case is 5. Okay, so actually figure this out. 180 times 3 over 5, and 360 divided by 5, which happens to be 72. So 180 times 3 is 540, divided by 5 is 108. That's the interior angle. And the exterior angle is 72, so the difference, meaning subtract, is 108 minus 72, which is 36 degrees.